The following message is transmitted at the request of the City of Grand Prairie Emergency Management. A large natural gas fire is in progress near Mayfield Road and Forum Drive in Grand Prairie. Emergency management officials have requested the immediate evacuation of all residences and businesses in the following areas. If you live between Mayfield Road and Interstate 20 and between Highway 360 and Great Southwest Parkway, you are advised to evacuate immediately to the east or west using either Interstate 20 or Mayfield Road.